chocolate chip cookie dough crust, crumbled Oreos, cheesecake swirled brownies. I am giving one of the biggest dessert trends of the modern era an upgrade. Let's make naughty brownie pie. We're starting with chocolate chip cookie dough. Instead of the thick cookie dough layer in the traditional recipe, you know, the one with the name I probably shouldn't say out loud around here, we're going to turn it into one giant cookie crust. Cream butter with granulated and brown sugar. Then add an egg, vanilla extract, flour, and a bit of baking soda. Just at the end, throw in a handful of chocolate chips. Press this dough firmly into the bottom of a springform pan and give it a head start in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes, just until it's set around the edges. This is going to let our layers gently sit on top of it instead of sinking in. Next come the Oreos. Personally, I like a rough crumble with some bigger pieces for texture, but you have options. You can blitz them into fine crumbs if you want them to melt into the brownie. You can leave them whole, like the original version, or do what I did, kind of a messy mix of both. Either way, be sure to leave some crumble on the side because you're going to need it for the topping. Now for the brownie layer. Could you use a box mix here? Absolutely, I'd never judge you. But if you'd like to make them from scratch, start by melting butter with unsweetened chocolate and semi-sweet chocolate chips. I use the microwave, it just takes a minute or two. Whisk in sugar, eggs, baking soda and salt, and a little bit of flour. Then smooth it evenly over the cookie and Oreo crust. And since we've already come this far, absolutely nothing is stopping us from adding cheesecake. Mix together cream cheese, egg, sugar, a touch of vanilla, then spoon it over the brownie batter and swoop it through. Finish with another handful of crushed Oreos over the top before it heads into the oven. And while this bakes, if you would like to see more over-the-top comfort food and deliberately indulgent recipes, go ahead and subscribe. That is pretty much all we do around here. Look at those layers. Chocolate chip cookie, Oreo, brownie, cheesecake. Somehow, they all make each other even better. Or maybe just a little more naughty. Thank you for cooking with me today. Until next time, I'm Cassandra Hammerstone.